Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and safety. Remove the key, then mount the bracket to the handlebar clamp area, tight and snug but not over-torqued. If you plan to hardwire power, disconnect the battery and identify switch 12V and ground. Use the bike's wiring diagram if needed. Once mounted, position the GPS where it clears mirrors and cables. Make sure you can reach buttons and charging port without strain. Then recheck bracket torque before proceeding to wiring. Now you wire the unit to a switch 12V so the GPS turns off with the ignition. Identify a ignition switch lead or add a piggyback at the fuse box. Splice using a crimp or solder joint and protect with heat shrink tubing. Insert a 1-2, a inline fuse close to the source to prevent shorts. Route the cable along the frame, securing every 4-6 inches with zip ties, and keep it away from exhaust and steering pivots to prevent chafing or pinching. Finish by reconnecting the battery and testing with the ignition on. Your GPS should power and show charging. Take the bike outside and wait for a clear sky to lock satellites, then verify accurate position and routing. Tighten any loose fasteners and use rubber pads to dampen vibration if the screen bounces. If the unit does not power, first inspect the inline fuse, then confirm ground and positive connections were not swapped. Replace faulty connectors and test again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.